Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Ruiki P801 here with me, SF, P801 SF here with me for a quick unboxing and quick review video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what is in the box. It's a little guy, stainless steel frame lock, and you've got like this plastic bag, of course your Ruiki tag, a little bit of advertising going on, and the warranty card. So just the regular stuff right over here. And inside you can find this interestingly designed knife. This is the Ruiki P801. It is 7.8 inch long overall with a 3.4-inch long blade, and I would say roughly a 4.5-inch long handle, stainless steel frame lock. There's some nice blue pivot color matching with the thumb stud, and also of course matching with the deep carry pocket clip, polished with some blue color going on. Really interesting design overall, nice and sleek. Of course reminds a little bit of a Sebenza because of the construction, basically standoffs. You've got a lanyard hole, very simple, just two slabs of steel. It's nicely chamfered, so no roughness going on. It's an inexpensive one. It's gonna be around $30, depending on the time. And on the shop, of course, you've got some nice jimping going on over here. It's actually relatively aggressive. Nice jimping also here to disengage the lock bar. I appreciate this shape. It's a full flat grind, nicely stone washed. It's running on phosphorus bronze washers, stainless steel standoffs, flipper tab like that. I mean, overall, it's a decent budget knife. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.